Rise above the city at the Eiffel Tower, snap iconic photos, and enjoy panoramic views from its lofty platforms. The landmark blends history, engineering marvel, and romantic sunset moments for unforgettable memories. Visit the world's most famous art museum, home to the Mona Lisa, Venus de Milo, and countless masterpieces. Explore its vast galleries to witness centuries of artistic brilliance in a single, unforgettable visit. Explore Notre Dame Cathedral's Gothic splendor, climb its twin towers for cities, and admire the intricate facade and rose windows. The historic sanctuary offers spiritual ambiance, medieval architecture, and a glimpse into Paris's deep religious heritage. Explore the Musée d'Orsay's impressive collection of Impressionist masterpieces, enjoy the grand clock face, and soak up the museum's airy, historic Belle Epoque atmosphere for a captivating cultural immersion. Glide along the Seine on a scenic river cruise, passing historic bridges, museums, and waterfront landmarks. The relaxing voyage offers unique photo ops, sunset views, and a charming glimpse of Paris from the water. Stroll the Champs-Élysées, shop elite boutiques, then ascend the Trône for panoramic city vistas. The iconic avenue and monument combine luxury, history, and stunning views for an unforgettable Parisian experience. Wander the artistic hill of Montmartre, visit the white-domed Sacré-Cœur Basilica, and enjoy panoramic city views. Soak up bohemian charm, street artists, and historic cafes for a quintessential Parisian experience. Relax in the elegant Luxembourg Gardens. Stroll among sculpted hedges, fountains, and statues, and rent a sailboat on the pond. The scene setting offers perfect leisure, picnics, and a glimpse of French garden artistry. Step inside Sainte-Chapelle to marvel at its dazzling stained glass windows that flood the chapel with kaleidoscopic light. The 13th century gem showcases masterful Gothic design and houses relics, delivering an ethereal, picture-perfect experience. Visit Centre Pompidou, Paris's bold modern art museum, to explore avant-garde exhibitions, striking exterior escalators, and a rooftop view of the city. The vibrant hub blends contemporary art, culture, and innovative architecture for creative inspiration.